और तो साथ सब लोग आज के इस वीडियो में मैं अभय के साथ लाइव गया था दोस्तों। लाइक करा, कमेंट करा।
Super. So go ahead, like, share, comment, do anything that you can in your capacity because here is MythPad performing live for all of you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात से तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
What if I told you that you're about to meet someone special who on 21st January 2019 had 1,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, but today that person has over 26 lakh subscribers on YouTube. Now, I know some of you are wondering how is that possible in the span of 1.5 years? How did he do it? And that's exactly the reason why we have invited him today, because he's going to share his life journey with you, which is surely going to inspire you. So hello everyone, my name is Abhay Valsankar, I'm a confidence coach and I welcome you all to a new series called as Inspiring India, wherein I bring some of the top speakers all around the country who would then inspire you through their life journeys. So today's guest of honor which we have is someone very, very special. On his Facebook page, when you go and if you check out his YouTube channel, he has got over 40 crore views and has got over 26 lakh subscribers. The whole country and the world knows him as MythPad, but I know him as a very good friend of mine before he became MythPad, none other than Mithilesh Patankar. So I would now like to welcome Mithilesh Patankar for our live session with us. So hi Mithilesh, good evening, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I was just putting a story.
Wow. Super. First things first, how do you feel to be on a position wherein everybody else might just dream of? Kasa वाटतंय? How do you feel right now?
Honestly, आता म्हणजे सध्या तरी काही नाही. Okay, we are talking in which language? English. आपल्या
English is
सवय
preferable. Yeah, Hindi, English, Marathi. We can have a mix of it. We can be as usual and natural
Sure.
as we can possibly be.
So, 1 second.
Yeah.
Too many lights here. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, starting pasun since the start, the growth has happened pretty fast. So
Correct.
like when I, like within 6 months I had reached 100k subscribers. No, after 6 months I had reached 100k subscribers, and then 1 million reached pretty fast, and 2 million was actually extremely fast. So
Correct.
the growth has been so fast. Like I don't feel anything ki okay I'm at the top or anything. I feel like everything is pretty normal. It's just I feel that I'm doing something which I am liking. So that is the good part of this.
Great.
मजा
So
येते.
for all those who are probably new and you might not know, let me share something very, very interesting and personal about Mithilesh Patankar, which probably no one else might know. So I'm going to share that in a moment. So let me quickly go ahead and do this because I want all of you to see this, what you're about to see right now.
What is it? Even I don't know.
So even Mithilesh has no idea what this is going to be. So probably that's the reason he is a little skeptical कि ये क्या unplanned है, ये क्या हो गया ऐसे. Okay, so I hope you can all see currently on screen. Now this is a
Ooh.
very interesting chat. Mithilesh, can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a chat which happened on 11th February in 2017. Okay, now this is 3 years back, and at that time Mithilesh did not have his YouTube channel, and he was Mithilesh Patankar, who was in an engineering college, and we had an event wherein you might not know about this, but Mithilesh, as humble as he sounds today, he was exactly the same even back then, and he's exactly the same now. So let me first tell you what kind of a nature this person has before we go ahead with then asking questions and his journey that he can share. So here's a chat which you can see. So we had an event which was for Tata Memorial Hospital, and it was a Cancer Victors Day, wherein we had more than 250 cancer victors who had survived cancer and they were going ahead in their life. They've recovered from it. So I had a great opportunity to host the event, and I thought of having someone on board who has got immense talent because I've seen that during my college days. So me and Mithilesh, we belong to the same engineering college, Vidyalankar College in Dadar, and that's when I realized that this guy has got amazing talent. So I asked him if I can come on board and he can do a part of his mimicry because he was doing absolutely great. So this is his exact chat from that day wherein he says, thank you so much for this opportunity. Then he goes on to say, I'm starting in this area of hosting and speaking. And then he says one important line, which I'm going to ask you, Mithilesh, how did it feel? Because he says, also for the first time, after my performance, people came to have a picture with me. Mithilesh, you have got to
Yeah.
explain this moment. How did it feel at that point when that happened?
See, when I performed for the cancer patient, that whole ceremony, the thing was like I enjoyed performing, like mimicry and all. I still love doing that more than I think what I do on YouTube. I love doing mimicry. I love doing stage shows more than all this. So for me at that time, performing was very special. But I think you called me twice for the event, and I both the times I was super excited. Ki wow! Like, I'll tell you something that tikde खूप असं old audience होता. Like they were pretty like 30, and I used to never get that opportunity to experiment those old actors like Amrish Puri and all that. The new generation doesn't really know की okay त्यांच्यात काय असायचं त्यांच्या व्हॉइस मध्ये. पण हे जे नवीन लोक जे अप्रिशिएट करायचे मला खूप मजा येत होती. सो तिकडे जेव्हा मी परफॉर्म केलं मला खूप बरं वाटलेलं. But then after that show, for the first time, a kid came and he was like, "आपके साथ फोटो लेना है." And I was like, मेरे साथ so वो बहुत मतलब खूप चांगलं वाटलेलं
I think
त्यावेळेला.
absolutely that's a very special moment, right? When people
first time
recognize
that
your
happened.
talent.
Yeah.
Absolutely great. So let me
And I
now
was no one
fast forward.
no one other than Mithilesh. Matlab, I don't have any other presence other than that stage show at that time. I'm not a famous actor or anything. Like he just came to me and he's like, "Photo hava hai." Maybe he saw the potential. आगे जाके कुछ he can become. I'm
absolutely. So I'll tell you something very interesting. As Mithilesh said, he did not do it once, but he came back the next year also. And this was one of his performances wherein he was doing a lot of mimicry and he was taking out different actor के आवाज जिससे कि the audience were mesmerized. And that is when even next year, this is what happened in 2018. Okay, I'm going to show you the details because this is what had really happened. Now, this is something which is very, very interesting. So I asked him to be at 10 o'clock was the performance time, and this is on 9th February, as you can see. So he says that I'll come there by 9:45, which is great, before time. And after that, he says something which I'm going to ask you very soon, Mithilesh, what exactly was in your head? Because he says that I leave as soon as my performance gets over because I have a GD, which is group discussion. Yeah. I'm like, what the hell? Where are you stuck? Like, what was going on in your head at that time? Imagine a parallel life, Mithilesh.
I don't remember, but I don't remember. I think Vivas or Freshers GD or something was going on at that time. Or Verve ka GD, something like the College Fest GD, something was going on at that time. And I had to go there also after this. So immediately after the event, I had to go there. Something like that had happened. I don't even remember this message.
Absolutely. But this is what I want you to realize. Imagine in a parallel world, Mithilesh clears the GD, clears the interview, is sitting in an IT company and, typical thing going on, watching on YouTube and thinking, Kash yaar, main bhi kuch karta. And
that happened. That happened. Like TCS. Wow. I'd got jobs here and there. Two companies, I think I'd got jobs. But that never happened again. So I think somehow I just started pursuing this career. Matlab, I had somewhat like I would say 25% at least I decided ki okay I can do a job, and after that I would do masters. I had never decided that I would do YouTube, but for the first time something just pulled me out of it. Like, so there's no specific reason that why did I start a YouTube channel. Something just pulled me out. It said that you can start a YouTube channel and now you can start posting on it. So that was a very different feeling.
Fast forward to 2020. This is on 2nd of July, a couple of days back, and look at the humbleness of this guy. At that time, he was no one, people weren't knowing him. Today, he has more than 40 crore views and 26 lakh subscribers, and I'm dropping a message with 2 words saying this weekend, like, can we do this call this weekend? And he says yes immediately, and he says, okay, Sunday evening, let's do it. And I guess that is what shows the simplicity of this man and the humbleness that he has with us. And that is why it's an honor to have you, Mithilesh, on this one particular show with us. And it would be a pleasure once again for you to then come up with your first experience of a YouTube video. Because I have something here to show you, which is with respect to your very first video. And I'm pretty sure that you must have taken a lot of videos, but then you must have deleted a few, and you must have also put something else in between. So I'm going to just quickly show you a small screenshot of your first video which you have put on YouTube. Here it is. So I want to ask you something about this, that a lot of people are very skeptical about going on YouTube because they feel कि अपने पास वो face नहीं है, अपने में वो confidence नहीं है. So how did you beat that, and how did you go ahead and then immediately at that very point you shot your first video? How was your experience of your very first video?
I'll tell you, that's what I'm saying. Like, how I started the YouTube channel was literally in classroom. Like, something was like a lecture was going on, and I was like, I'll just start a YouTube channel. I had no content, I had nothing in my mind. This was on 29th of July or 28th of July 2018. I didn't have any content in mind. It was दोपहर का lecture, and I just started a channel with the name Mythpat, and the name Mythpat came like 4-5 वर्षापूर्वी माझे फ्रेंड्स मला बोलवायचे Mythpat. So that name से मैंने बना दिया, and my first subscriber was my partner. And next day evening में मतलब I just shot one video of mimicry video, this one using Snapchat, and I uploaded it on my channel. I shared it to my friends. I just shared it like, okay, चलो देखते हैं कुछ YouTube पे भी views आ जाएंगे. Let's see if
Correct.
anything happens. But the whole process ना कि why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Okay, have you decided कि okay you want to make a career in this and all? I'd never thought of this. That this just happened. Like that feeling came कि चलो you make a YouTube channel, and that is the feeling I can't explain. कि त्या वेळेला दुपारी why did this come in my mind कि okay let's start a YouTube channel while someone is teaching on the board.
Correct.
I think that's very magical for me.
That's absolutely great. That's divine, right? Something that comes through you and goes ahead. That's great.
Yeah.
You have got huge fans who are currently watching this. So if you can just take these few names and say hi to them. So we have
Okay,
Sudeep, Darsh, Sujit, and Komal. So you can just go ahead and say hi to all of those people.
Yeah. Hi
And
Sudeep,
then we
hi
can continue.
Darsh, hi Sujit, hi Komal, hi Cecilia, hi.
That's
how are
great.
you?
Super. Mithra, I need to ask you this. Okay, so I'm going to call you Mithilesh because that is where we
Yeah,
began,
yeah.
and I love that. And it's an honor again to have you here. So here's the first question that I have for you as we go ahead in this journey. At which moment in your life, now we go reverse, okay, from where you are now to your back end journey. At which moment in your YouTube journey did you feel like, यार, बस, I've cracked it, हो गया बस, जो अपने को चाहिए था वो मिल चुका है, and we have nailed it. Did you ever get a feeling like that?
Initially my plan was to grow the YouTube channel up to a point where I can use it as a thing in my resume for MS. That was actually my plan. My plan was mummy papa I'll take 2 years, and in 2 years I'll grow YouTube up to a significant level, so that I can show that okay, I'm a determined. This was going in my mind. I can show that I'm a determined person to those people in MS ka, that whole committee. Okay, I got 100k subscribers. Whatever I decide, I do it. This was my original plan. But when I reached 100k subscribers, I noticed that decent revenue was coming, decent views were coming, and and people were enjoying my content even at 100k subscribers. And the growth was super fast. Like I had decided 100k would happen in 2 years, but 100k happened just before I graduated from college, and I started this channel in the start of 4th year. So you can imagine how fast 100k I touched.
Absolutely.
100k. So that's why I decided okay, I can do something in this only. Let's just take the risk. I can do something in this.
That's great, super. Mithilesh, can you give us a little background about your personal life? That who all are there in your family? Where do you stay? A little background. Were your parents supportive when you decided to go ahead with the YouTube journey?
I live with my mom, dad, and my granny. I live in Mumbai, and initially, as I told you, I asked for 2 years. So that 2 years span, I don't think I needed that much of convincing. मतलब इतना convince होता कि ना मैं थोड़ा सा I had to explain them what is YouTube. Obviously, they don't understand it, but they are pretty supportive, and we are pretty well-to-do. Not rich, but we are well-to-do. So I feel that I'm lucky to have that opportunity to actually experiment in my career. A lot of people don't have that opportunity, so I'm lucky in that case.
Absolutely, but I'm pretty sure, Mithilesh, even when the support is right, it takes a lot of efforts, right? Discipline, I guess, is one of the key importance here. So when you prepare a video, we don't see the back-end effort. We only see you on screen with a lot of props and you're killing it. But let us know a little about your preparation. That for one video, what is your preparation routine? Kiti वेळ लागतो? How much time do you take? And what is the routine that you go ahead for your preparation?
My main goal with every video is my new video has to be better than the previous video. That is how the channel is going to increase subscribers. That's the rule I'm going with in my whole YouTube journey. So initially, like how I make videos is I take usually like my goal is कि I'll make a video as much as people make long videos, people make short videos. I want to make videos jitna I will watch. Like if I don't watch the videos, then people are not going to watch it. That is my rule. So I record for around, say, 2-3 hours every video. 2-3 hours recording lagte, and after that editing takes actually 12 to 14 hours now.
Wow.
Back then, now as I told you the rule, back then it used to take 8 hours. When I started YouTube, it used to take 6 hours, and even that is high in my opinion, because YouTubers don't actually take 6 hours. Well, they don't take so many efforts. It's the truth. But then 8 hours झाले, मग आता actually 12 to 14 hours झाले. I hope की इकडे बंद होईल, म्हणजे याच्यापेक्षा जास्त लेवल म्हणजे खूप स्ट्रेसफुल होऊन जातं ते. But 14 hours चे समजा एडिटिंग लागते एका व्हिडिओला. So 14 hours plus, and 14 hours, why 14 hours editing? I make sure that if the footage is 3 hours, imagine how much content can it be if the 3 hours footage can be crunched down to 12 minutes. That is my average length, 12 to 11 minutes. Good editing, extreme good editing. That is my thing. So I have to make it very engaging, which I would watch personally. That is why it takes a lot of time, and I think that is like the main thing about my growth. I take a lot of efforts in every video. Every video is very special.
Absolutely great. How many of you, by the way he's currently speaking, you can see the passion in him? And if you can see so, then please go ahead and comment Mythpat rocks, because that is what honestly I feel the moment he's speaking with such a heart, with so much passion. So if you're loving this, go ahead and type it.
No, I like sharing my YouTube knowledge. Matlab, I don't have such secrets for YouTube, but honestly, I feel that I have lot of YouTube about analytics and all that. I have a lot of knowledge.
Yeah.
I've analyzed YouTube a lot. So मला खूप माहिती आहे त्याच्याबद्दल. I like sharing that.
Excellent. So you're in the right place. For all the viewers who are going to watch this, today Mythpat is going to help us understand that what exactly goes behind reaching a channel of that scale. So Mithilesh, since the whole concept is about inspiring India, there are thousands and lakhs of viewers who will eventually watch this, and you are the one inspiring them. So who inspires you? That's the question that I would like to ask.
I think I see there are. I don't think anybody inspires me as such to make content, but I watch foreign YouTubers, some of the foreign YouTubers, and I try to get that type of quality in the Indian gaming scene. Like I not exactly inspire. Like I don't get inspired, but I watch a lot of self improvement channels. That is what I watch most of the times. I watch a lot of podcasts, self improving channels. So those all stuff they help me a lot. All these things.
That's
so other
awesome.
than that, no inspiration.
Okay, so Mythpat, as I said, so
Mythpat rocks. Everyone is writing Mythpat rocks.
Yes, everybody is writing. Everybody loves you. Come on, Mithilesh. Now you're being very humble in trying to be shocked as if people are writing.
No,
of course they love you. So here's a question to you. Your what do you say? Fandom has grown a lot across boundaries. So you've got international fans also who love you. So how do you deal with that? Do you ever get overwhelmed about all this attention that comes your way? Or do you feel blessed? How do you feel about all the attention that you get?
I don't think I have a lot of international fans, honestly. I have pretty much Indian audience and and that's how I actually want to grow, because there's no good. In my opinion, there was no good. Abhi to bahut aa gaya hai. There was no good. It's like starting any business. If there's no good gaming content in India, you just find that market gap, and then I tapped that market gap. ऐसा मार्केट गैप था कि जिसमें कोई एडिटिंग नहीं करता, जिसमें कोई फनी कमेंट्री करके वीडियोस नहीं डाल रहा, पीपल आर जस्ट स्ट्रीमिंग or like that. So I tapped that market, and then that worked out. I think that journey happened very smoothly. Like
Correct.
touch wood, there's no such type of struggle yet. So I am externally trying to struggle. Matlab, I myself don't feel satisfied yet ki okay, मला आता 2 million subscribers आले आहेत, but have I really worked hard for it? I honestly feel I haven't. Matlab, this is not even me being humble. I honestly feel that I waste a lot of time. Like I work like back then, okay, not now. I've started really working very hard now. But say 1 month back, I used to work like every alternate day. Since right from the start of 100k to 1 million की journey, I used to work every alternate day, every 2 days. आराम से मस्त झोपायचो. You know my sleep schedule. It's very bad. So मैं आराम से झोपायचो. I used to watch must TV series and all. So life was amazing, and I was growing on YouTube. So this feeling started to come in that if I am growing so fast and so much response I'm getting and so many subscribers I'm getting with इतना सा मेहनत, what will happen if मी एवढी मेहनत करून तेवढे किती सबस्क्रायबर्स येतील. म्हणून मी आता खूप हसल करायला लागलोय. लाईक मी आता रोज काम करतो, आणि ते अचानक झालं. मी आता रोज काम करतो, आणि I try not to waste time. I've started improving my sleep schedule. Let's see. I've started improving my diet. थोड़ा exercise, walk सगळं चालू आहे आता. So I'm trying to do that with myself.
Awesome. I've seen sort of YouTubers who start, but then eventually they lose steam. They can't go ahead. So here's one question for you, Mythpat, that eventually in this journey, there might be moments where you feel alone, right? That even though you have got 26 lakh subscribers, but sometimes you might just feel कि यार ये video में डाला था, but views नहीं आ रहे. या फिर you are at a point where you're struggling.
That happened with my Kalka video. That happened with my Kalka video.
Okay,
yeah.
What happened? Can you share?
I don't know. Like I posted that video pretty late, but it did not get the satisfactory. Now, satisfactory is a very personal term. Like I usually get about 1.4 million views a day, and that's a lot. but I
Yeah.
got like 1.1 million in this video. But I know
Okay.
that personally, when I posted that video, I was not satisfied. I was very sad. Like, I was actually sad yesterday that this video is not that good. I did not do good editing in it. I posted it after 4 days. So all this hit me like, okay, now I have to work really hard for the next video. So that is what I was doing today.
Absolutely great. You can see successful people like him see their standards. It reminds me of the dialogue from
Yeah.
Three Idiots. कि सीधा 97% से 91 पे आ गए. That's exactly what happened in this case. 1.4 million to 1.1 million. Now, if I ask anybody here, would you love 1.1 million? You'll be like, हाथ धो के boss दे दो. But that's the standard. When you become
Yeah.
successful, your standards increase, and that is what inspires us. So
It
that
is more like, I'm sorry to interrupt you so much. I'm
Please
so
go,
sorry.
please go.
No. It is more like you have. It is like a scary thing for me. Ki, okay, the views have reduced now. What will happen? I feel that what will happen if the views reduce more? What will happen if I get used to this 1.1 million? I'm like, okay, chalo yaar, 1.1 million आगे बहुत है यार. It's okay. Audience को देना है तो दो. याची सवय लागते. हे सवय लागून मग चॅनलचं डाउनफॉल आहे. I think that is how you address the question. A lot of YouTubers are not able to keep it. I think every video has to be so special that they are able to keep going in that upward growth arrow, whatever.
Superb, excellent. So you decided to start a journey into the gaming world. Now you have played a lot of games and I've seen a lot of videos. Now you have, obviously we can't compare one game to another, but in the process of playing the game, which one do you enjoy the most? Is it Minecraft? Is it GTA? Is it Assassin's Creed? Whatever. Which is your favorite one? That
I
you
enjoy playing GTA a lot.
GTA.
Like GTA is my favorite. Even before this stream, I was installing a car ka mod in GTA. Just before this live stream, like at 8:45, I was installing this. I just wanted to try it. And GTA is like a 5-year-old game, but I still enjoy playing it.
And you enjoy killing the president.
That's like one of the good famous videos. But that was a very good concept. But other than that, on my channel, I play Minecraft. I would say I like Minecraft. It's an interesting game, but it's difficult to keep up with a series. Instead, I like to just start GTA because GTA is such a massive world. You can do anything in it. Mate खूप आवडतं GTA. It's my favorite game.
Excellent. So Mithat, currently we have got so many viewers. I'm going to open in a few minutes the questions from them. So as viewers, if you want to ask any questions, please feel free to type it in the comment box, and then I'll definitely pick a few of it and I'll ask it to Mithilesh. But here's the next one, Mithilesh, which I want to ask you. What is that one personality trait that you have in yourself that you think is going to take you ahead and has already got you this far? एक कुठली तरी अशी एक personality trait, एक quality which has got you ahead in your life.
I think I have a mild OCD.
Okay. Obsessive compulsive.
Where you have to just ensure की जे पण तू गोष्ट करतोयस, it has to be the best. मतलब एडिटिंग मध्ये लिटरली 3 सेकंडचा पण असेल ना गॅप, आय एन्श्योर की ओके तिकडची ऑडिओ लेवल किती आहे हे. सो आय एम व्हेरी परफेक्ट अबाउट माय वर्क इन दॅट व्हिडिओ. सो दॅट इज व्हॉट हॅपन विथ यस्टरडेज व्हिडिओ. दॅट व्हिडिओ मध्ये फुटेज मध्ये थोडा फ्लॉ होता. So I couldn't really do a lot of things, but I still edited it for 2 days. And in the end, the video did not turn out to be that good. I was not satisfied with it. But that is what I do. Like, I have to make sure that every video is extremely good. So that OCD helped me a lot. I would say that OCD is something that has helped me to grow a lot.
Absolutely. They say God is in the details and you're focusing on the details, and that's why you're going ahead. That's absolutely great. So Mithat, you have done some amazing collaborations with the top YouTubers in this country. Can you name a few जिसके साथ your collaboration is done, so that everybody here can also, everybody has seen it, but it's still a great feeling to hear it from your mouth.
I have worked with Tanmay Bhatt. Okay. And that was actually a very big thing for me. Like back then when I saw on Instagram that he followed me, and I did not know why did he follow me. So I only messaged him after that. I was like shocked. And that was like one moment where I was happy about myself. Ki, okay, I got like a thoda validation. Ki, okay, I'm doing really good. But that was one. And after that, a lot of things happened. Like, that's actually how a lot of people got to know me through Tanmay Bhatt stream. That is how a lot of people got to know me. Ki, other than my audience, I became like overall thoda famous. क्योंकि मिथपैट करके एक नाम है अभी YouTube कम्युनिटी में थोड़ा थोड़ा मेरा नाम बढ़ने लगा. आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट दैट एंड दैट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दैट तन्मय. बट
इतना
अदर देन
हम्बलनेस से बात कर रहा है ना बंदा, थोड़ा सा नाम बनने लगा. इट्स लाइक सो
थोड़ा
कैजुअल, थोड़ा सा ही, ठीक.
थोड़ा सा.
I we have got so many questions, but I'm going to just pick up one at this moment. So there's someone asking that what mic do you use? So what is your gear? So can you share a little details about what YouTube gear do you use? Mic, camera,
I
etc.
use Sony ka camera. I use
Okay.
like a proper DSLR camera. Then mic
Okay.
is Rode, again proper pretty professional, not itna, but yeah,
Okay.
professional. And then there are lights. There are a lot of lights in my room. Lights make your footage look very good. So आता इकडे समोर 3 लाईट्स आहेत, मागे एक लाईट आहे, तिकडे एक लाईट.
Okay.
ती तर स्टाईलसाठीच आहेत, पण हे
हा.
लाईट्स माझ्या कॅमेरासाठी आहेत. So
Correct.
अशा सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. So that's why it looks very good. Even you must be noticing.
Yeah. Your
Yeah.
face is bright, and
Yeah,
that's
even
also
the,
because of the energy
bokeh
of the smile.
That's
Correct.
there. Also the camera quality, I don't know तुला कशी दिसते, पण ती खूप चांगली आहे. So I ensure की मला ते खूप आवडायचं माहिती आहे. I always liked the quality of videos. मतलब I used to only watch videos which have like high quality. But I'm not demotivating anyone here saying that त्यांचे videos हे असतील म्हणजे तसं नाही. Even I have started with low quality, but it's just that I loved that. So that is what I incorporated in my videos later.
Okay. So if
Any
Mithil
budget
said
mic,
someone
any
watching-
budget mic will do, Ashok.
Yeah.
Like you
Any
don't,
budget.
itna nahi hai YouTube ka. You just need a OBS software. You need a basic game like Minecraft. You can start with Minecraft. You need a webcam. Trust me. Other than me, there's no one. Okay, there's no one in the gaming industry who uses this type of camera. I use it. माझ्यापेक्षा मोठे YouTubers आहेत. Ashok. It's okay. You can use any camera, the webcam, mobile camera वापरतात खूप सारे लोक. It's okay. You can just use it. It's important is literally starting content. So for a long time till 500 subscribers, 500k subscribers, I did not even use a face cam.
Okay. Yeah.
So they did not know, anybody here they didn't know my face till 500k.
That was my next question, face reveal.
Okay.
So, I've seen that video and it's probably one of the most celebrated face reveal videos. So,
Yeah.
what was the reason why you did not show your face for the first half of your YouTube? And then what came in the idea of the face reveal and how did it happen?
I think पहले से I wanted to make my face reveal थोड़ा सा मतलब it just happened like my first video on YouTube turned out to be a mimicry video, but it was not a mimicry video directly. It was a Snapchat का mimicry video जिसमें मैंने face hide automatically हुआ था. तभी मैंने डिसाइड नहीं किया था कि फेस नाही दिखाने का, तभी हो गया था. देन असेच मी गेम प्ले व्हिडिओज टाकले, माझा फेस दिसलाच नाही. मग लोकांचे थोडे कमेंट्स यायला लागले, डू फेस रील ओके लोक इनको मेरा फेस देखना है, लेट्स जस्ट हाइप इट थोड़ा सा, मे बी यू गेट व्यूज ऑन इट. That's actually the reason for every YouTuber. Maybe you get a thoda views on it. Then 10k happened, and actually the journey from 10k to 100k was very fast. So 10k happened, 100k happened, but at 100k I did not face reveal. I don't remember the reason, but then eventually the next milestone was 500k, and I always had this in my mind that my face reveal video has to be so unique. It has to be the best face reveal video. Trust me, on YouTube. Like this was my goal. When lot of my viewers actually know this, that I wanted to make my face reveal video the best face reveal video on YouTube in terms of views and the most liked. So I did that, and in the end the concept was so good. Like एक Simon Says करून YouTuber है. Yeah. So I for that is the first time I contacted him, and that is how that video turned out to be so good.
Yeah, 4 million views, right? So that's
Yeah,
amazing.
4.3 million views.
Oh, he's ready with his numbers. You can't mess with that.
I saw it yesterday. So this is what is happening with me na, ki I saw it ki there are some face reveal videos with 5 million views and all on YouTube, and this was my dream that mera face reveal video has to be the best. This is only the few stubborn things which I have, ki my face reveal video has to be the highest watched video on YouTube. So that is why I saw the views yesterday रात को ही मैंने views देखा इसका 4.3 million था, इसलिए मुझे याद है.
Super, very inspiring. So here's next question. You mentioned something about mimicry here, and I'm pretty sure for all those who know Mythpat, you know one thing, that he's probably one of the best mimicry artists that we have. So I'm going to throw a challenge to all of you here, and I'm going to throw a challenge to Mythpat, and I'm going to see how he responds. Okay, this is not pre-decided. This is something on the spot, but I know him, and I'm pretty sure he's going to pull it off with ease. So Mythpat, I'm going to give you one dialogue. That dialogue is from the film Shah Rukh Khan की film Om Shanti Om, which is nothing but कि ऐसे कहते हैं, अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश में जुड़ जाती है. So you know the dialogue pretty well. You need to do a mimicry of any 5-6 actors that you want, and you can start with Shah Rukh Khan, and then in between I'm just going to say a name, and you need to switch and go ahead and do it in that voice. So that's going to be a challenge. If you're okay with that, Yeah?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so for all the viewers, if you're excited to hear MythPat do a live mimicry right now for all of you, then please go ahead and comment excited in the comment box, because I'm sure this is
also
going to be a
make sure
fun.
you like the stream. Like
Absolutely.
the
Oh,
stream.
yeah, but this is, I tell you, this guy is amazing. You know,
Just
he's very humble.
YouTube मधनं येतं ते हे आम्हाला. Like करा, comment करा.
Super. So go ahead, like, share, comment, do anything that you can in your capacity, because here is MythPat performing live for all of you. You know the dialogue. So let us start with Shah Rukh Khan.
अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. This was one.
The laughter is amazing. So I'm not going to interrupt in between now. I'm just going to say the names. You go ahead and you continue, okay? But you're doing amazing. Next one is Akshay Kumar.
अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है बाबू भैया.
Hrithik Roshan, one of my favorite.
अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात जादू सब कुछ तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाता है. एंड दैट इज द फैंटास्टिक मोमेंट.
Oh my god, Doraemon.
अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है नोबिता. ये मला एवढं येत नाही.
It's a very good effort. Paresh Rawal, Babu Rao style.
अरे बाबा अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहते हो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है राजू कुत्रिया.
Amitabh Bachchan.
भाई साहब देखिए, अगर किसी चीज को ध्यान से बोलते हैं, अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है भाई साहब.
Amazing. A few YouTubers quickly. First we'll start with Ashish Chanchlani.
I don't know their mimicry. I actually don't know
Okay. Any other YouTuber that you know? Kariminati, his character Tau.
No, I know Technical Guruji. That's the
Technical
only
Guruji,
one.
please go ahead.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Oh my god, I tell you one thing, I've heard you do so many times, but this one, Technical Guruji one, was absolutely great. If you also loved it as viewers, please go ahead and type this that you nailed it, because that is something that you did with that. This is amazing. This skill kahan se seekha yaar, Mithilesh? How did you get into this whole frame of perfecting a mimicry? Where did it start?
I think that started with Shah Rukh Khan. That I want to perfect his voice, and when I actually perfected his voice, after that the next challenge, then the other mimicry artists were pretty simple for me, honestly. But the next challenge was Hrithik Roshan's voice, and for a long time, for 2 months, I couldn't do Hrithik Roshan properly. But I practiced a lot. I actually practiced daily. I used to shoot videos daily, selfie videos की कसं जमतंय. And after 2 months, eventually that happened की Hrithik Roshanचा voice खूप perfect झाला. आणि आता तर आहेच परफेक्ट. आम्ही प्रँक कॉल वगैरे पण केलेत लोकांना ऋतिक रोशनच्या, आणि त्यांना खरं वाटलं. So that is
amazing. I'll make a prophecy here today for MythPat. I'll 100% wish that this comes true, that very soon there'll be a point wherein MythPat would be in Bollywood doing some amazing films, and then a young YouTuber would do a mimicry for MythPat in his own voice. So how many of you think that is going to be awesome? Please type awesome in the comment box so I know you're with me. But this is absolutely great, MythPat. But amongst all these things happening in your life, you were scaling up and you were doing amazing. What's that one difference that you find today in yourself as what Mithilesh Patankar was before YouTube and what MythPat is today? So what's that one difference which you have seen?
one question जिसका आंसर अभी तक मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था.
चलो, बात पे पकड़ लिया. चलो, ये अच्छा है.
Yeah, that I never thought of this. I think that मतलब on camera and all, I think I'm a very थोड़ा सा shy. I won't say that I'm completely introvert, but I'm semi-introvert person in real life. मतलब I am extrovert and introvert का combo. मतलब if I go on stage, I'm extrovert. I can perform. But if I'm in real life, maybe I'm थोड़ा introvert. I feel.
Correct.
But I'm shy. थोड़ा सा shy. I try. I love to like. मतलब on camera, I show that okay, I am that MythPat. मतलब I'm interacting and ते jokes निघतात आणि असं होतं. But that is again, I think थोड़ा सा, I would say a character. मतलब MythPat, it is like, मतलब I would say I'm actually very similar also to Mithilesh in real life. म्हणजे मला खूप लोक रिअल लाईफ मध्ये पण हंबल बोलतात आणि इथे पण हंबल बोलतात युट्यूब चॅनलवर. सो इट इज प्रिटी सिमिलर. आय डोंट थिंक आय मेड इतना डिफरन्स, मतलब की मिथिलेश वेगळा आणि MythPat वेगळा. इट्स प्रिटी सेम.
Mithilesh, see, now we are at a channel strength which is around 1,000 subscribers. You are at 2.6 million, and still you are okay in having to do this live with us, and that is something I it shows your character, right? It shows how humble you are.
Why did I say yes? Because when the first time we saw you in my classroom back then, I think in second year, Abhay had come to my classroom in VIT, and that time only I had seen that he was explaining us something on board. I forgot what he was explaining, but it was something related to business, and even that course was business related. Kutla 3. So I saw that how much potential he had, and I was like, I actually inspired that. Okay, that he's teacher's favorite. At that time, as you see now, all teachers used to like him. Even though he's matlab college ka 2-3 years pehle he had graduated, but I still saw that he used to come for college fest. He used to help so much. So I really like that personality thing about you, that you're so much like into the side of business, about management and all that. So that's why I wanted to work with alter ego. Like I saw what work you are doing, and it's actually pretty good. So I don't think at a point it matters ki if you have 1,000 subscribers or 2 million. I think the brand you are creating now, alter ego, even if at a point it reaches 10,000 subscribers on YouTube now, you will make a lot of revenue. That is the point, and you are doing it great now. So I wanted to do this personally because I find you inspiring, because even those events which you had organized, cancer patients and all that, I actually liked to from that time.
So see again, I tell you, this guy is humble and he keeps on proving me right every single time. So this show is about him inspiring the entire nation, but here he is talking about somebody else, and that again shows the kind of character you have with Pat, which is absolutely great. So here's two quick questions. One is, amongst all these things, I'm sure there might be a moment wherein you felt extremely low, or you dealt with something like, depression, or something wherein you thought of giving up. Because every YouTuber, I guess, goes through that phase wherein you're doing everything but you're not getting results. Because I'd seen your video which you had put when you got 1,000 subscribers, and you were like, it took you almost 6 months to get 1,000 subscribers. Am I correct?
Yeah, the first 1,000 take time. The first 1,000 take time. I'm saying now that this journey was pretty smooth. Like the whole journey of me going from 0 to 1,000, it was not like a struggle where I felt ki, shit, I need 1,000 subscribers, I need 100k. I think I am right now at a point where, okay, as you said, थोड़ा ये होता है कि अभी how do I ensure, क्योंकि अभी 2 million है, अभी इतने views आ रहे हैं, how do I ensure कि my growth is like this for a long time now? That is what I am. That is what stresses me almost. Like this is not something like a phase in my life which had happened. This happens to me every 3 days, where I feel anxiety, I feel anxious कि okay, चल रहा है ना चैनल अच्छे से, अभी कल की वीडियो जो गई, कल की वीडियो, that is making me think, that is actually making me think that my channel is gone. This happens to me after every bad video कि my channel is gone now. But that is not the case. मतलब now next video I know that this has happened to me many times, because so next video is going to be good. So I'm going to again take this. So this thing, if you're in social media industry, this thing is going to happen where you are going to feel anxious, especially because एवढी कॉम्पिटिशन आहे. माझ्यासारखे अजून किती गेमिंग युट्यूबर्स आहेत, किती आहेत, आणि आता अजून येतातच आहेत, तर ते तर असणारच आहे. सो यू कॅन्ट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट.
Again, this is something that we can all learn from him. Imagine this, that we feel that at this stage कि हम struggle कर रहे हैं, हम anxious है, हमें depression है, हम anxiety face कर रहे हैं. But here we have someone who has already achieved a lot of success and is going through it in the same way that we are. So I guess that's a lesson that we can all learn, that it's a phase and eventually you will come out of it. Now, the worst thing has happened. Now, what was that one best moment in your life wherein you felt really good about yourself, the whole journey? ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर एक मोमेंट था क्या where you felt like यार हो गया यार, जिंदगी में यार जो चाहिए था ना भी हो रहा है, बस एक हैप्पी मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ?
आई थिंक व्हेन आई टच लाइक दी, अभी तक वो मोमेंट नहीं आया, बट आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द डायमंड प्ले बटन. लाइक दैट इज माय गोल. I have several different goals in my mind. Like when I touched 1 million, I did not have that na feeling कि okay shit 1 million हो गया. For that, only for that 5 seconds I was like 1 million हो गया, satisfied, okay fine, I'm happy. 2 million पे मुझे कुछ नहीं लगा. This is मतलब it's just that the journey became these all things happened so fast. मुझे इतना कुछ लगा नहीं. But I have one goal in my mind which I think I'm just going to cry. There are two goals rather. Two goals. Yeah. One is getting the diamond play button or at 10 million subscribers, because I don't know, I have that fascination. मुझे वो diamond button चाहिए बस. मुझे वो दे दो, फिर मैं satisfied हूँ. मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. और मुझे एक this is my again personal dream कि मुझे एक sponsored वे से out of India जाना है. मतलब YouTube बहुत लोगों को sponsor करता है and they take them for YouTube events abroad. So that is my dream, which is for me more important than all these 1 million, 2 million, 5 million. And the diamond play button. So I think अभी तक तो, as you asked the question, अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है कि I will be very satisfied and I'm very happy, but it will happen.
Super. Excellent. I'm pretty sure with all the blessings that you're carrying along with the good work that you're doing, that diamond button is pretty soon going to be there. And we'll connect once again at that time when you get it. So you'll see the journey and we'll have it together. And how many of you believe that he's going to get it really quick? If yes, then please go ahead and type Mythpad Diamond in the comment box. So I know that you're going to believe that he's going to get it really, really quick, because that is what I think. The way he's doing in terms of his quality of videos is absolutely great. So we'll put up a couple of more questions, which is something which is very, very important. If currently there is a YouTuber who's struggling and who thinks that, I'm not able to make it, what would be your advice to that person?
I think you will see some amount of growth in 6 months. This is what I feel genuinely. 6 to 7 months, you will see some amount of growth. Some amount manje, I was at 400 subscribers till 6 months. And after 6th month, by 7th month, I was at 2000. That 1 month में एवढे असे वाढले. So for 6 months ऐसा होऊ शकतं. So you have to ensure, okay, but you should have some amount of growth. You should be consistent. Make sure that you're consistent. If you're going to post one video and then you're going to say कि 6 महीना हो गया यार, एक वीडियो से नहीं आने वाले. मैंने at least 30 वीडियोस डाले थे, 30-40 वीडियोस डाले थे 6 महीने में, तब जाके वो 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स पहुंचे थे. So that, and I feel that how do you make sure that you're going on the right track is after 6 months also, if you see that the growth is not that good, अभी actually बहुत कम traction आ रहा है, say 10 सब्सक्राइबर ही आ रहा है, 20, then you are doing something wrong. क्योंकि I feel that YouTube has a very magical algorithm that it will take out the video किधर से तो, if the video is good, it will make sure that the video is going ahead. There's no type of nepotism on YouTube. There's nothing. मतलब the algorithm is so magical now. Trust me, the algorithm is very magical. वो कुछ ना कुछ करके आपकी वीडियो आगे जाएगी, मतलब जाएगी. It will take time, but even after 6 months you don't see any traction, then do something else. Change your plan of action. That is what I follow.
So Mithilesh, if you have to advise 3 do's and 3 don'ts in terms of the YouTube algorithm, in terms of the title, description, tags, or any such minute details, as you said, analytics is something that you're good at now. You have a lot of information you want to share. So in quick, say a 5-minute window, if I give you right now, what would be the things that you can explain them, which will be really useful for all the viewers here who have a YouTube channel and want to grow? So anything in particular that you would say?
The most important thing is thumbnail. Most important thumbnail. That understand this. आपके सामने recommendation में इतने वीडियो, सब लोग इधर YouTube देखते हैं. आपके सामने recommendation में एक वीडियो आई, इतने सारे वीडियोस होते हैं recommendation में YouTube के main page पे. Which is the video you will click on? So that is that you don't see views at that time. You don't see that small view account. Okay, 1.7 million views hai, so I'll click on this one. You don't see that. What do you see? You see the thumbnail. Is the thumbnail attractive? Okay, you'll click on it. What was the second thing you see? You see the title. Description all comes later, but description is again important. Tags do not really matter. You have to put tags, obviously, but they don't matter anymore. Your title, your thumbnail is the first most priority. The second thing is title. That's
okay, and any particular software that you recommend for thumbnails, or any is okay?
I use Photoshop. Like, you can use any software. You can make, if you can make it good in PicsArt. I think I can make it good in mobile PicsArt software also. I can make it personally, but I use Photoshop now. So you can use anything. Like there are so many YouTubers I know who still edit on phone. KineMaster करून एक software है Play Store पर. I think it's free also. I'm not sure. And people edit it on phone. So I'm not saying this that me असं चालू केलंय वगैरे. I have had, as I said in the start, I have had the privilege कि okay, I can go, I have a computer, I can edit on this. But don't keep this a reason कि okay, तो आपके पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है, आपके पास ये नहीं है, तो आप लोग YouTube में ये नहीं कर सकते हो. कितने यूट्यूबर्स हैं जिन्होंने मोबाइल से चालू करके बहुत आगे गए हैं.
Correct.
Yeah,
absolutely. It's superb. So again, don't give excuses is what we can learn here. Whatever you have, take and go ahead. That's absolutely great, Mithilesh. You mentioned something about alter ego. You mentioned about different characters. So recently I kuch waqt ho gaya, but you came up with a very different character who was called as Mithila. And I'm pretty sure you got various reactions to it. You got some positive, you might have got some negative. How was the whole experience? How did Mithila come into existence? And how was it received by fans?
Mithila actually happened. Mithila actually happened pretty randomly. Like it is a character definitely, which has only come only once on my channel. But I just wanted to make some video on TikTok, and I was like, agar dream mein, because I saw a lot of TikTokers, doing weird stuff on TikTok. So I was like, अगर ऐसा हुआ मेरे ड्रीम में हुआ तो so what will happen? So I just want to take it next level. Like, people have made these characters using only a hair wig, and then you become a girl, you look like a girl. I want to take it next level by doing real makeup and all that. My sister did it, but real makeup, सगळं makeup केलं, झुमके वगैरे सगळं लावून, and after that I that's why I made the character extremely like real, and that's why I think that connect बनला, and it was a big thing on my channel. अजून पण मला रोज कमेंट्स येतात, मिथिला को वापस लाओ, मिथिला को लाऊंगा, देखते हैं कभी तो अभी वापस आएगा मिथिला once more.
Yeah. Okay, superb, excellent. So, Mithilesh, in a moment, I'm going to start with something called as a rapid fire, okay? So, this is not like one which you get hampered at the end, but this is just that one word that comes to your mind when you hear about it. And this is more about in terms of, being inspiration for others that you have here. Now, meanwhile, if there's anyone in the audience who has a question, please go ahead and type it in the comments. So, we will be winding up in the next 10 minutes. So, make sure that if you have questions, this is the time that you have. So, here's a quick rapid fire round. Mithilesh, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, audience, if you're all ready, please type ready in the comment box, because I want to see you being excited for him going ahead and answering questions in a rapid moment. So here we go, Mithilesh. The very first one, the first word that comes to your mind, you have to say when you hear this. Mythpat.
Lakshadweep. I because that's where I got the name Mythpat.
Oh, you got your name Mythpat in Lakshadweep?
Yeah, with my friends. That is also a very different story.
You want to probably share it before we go ahead with the next
question? It was just like these people were unknown friends. Like, I had gone with a trip to Ladakh. I never told this story to anyone actually, but we had gone for a trip, and they all were unknown people, and they just knew my name, Mithilesh Patankar, and somebody just called me Mythpat, and that is how I got the name Mythpat for the first time. And लक्षद्वीपचा जो मी व्हिडिओ अपलोड केलेला नंतर त्याच्यावर एक कॉमेंट आहे, नाईस मिथ. त्यानंतर मी जो व्हिडिओ त्याच्यावर एक कॉमेंट आहे, नाईस मिथपॅट. 5 years ago this comment was there. Nobody has seen this comment on my channel. Nobody knows about this channel. But that comment is the reason why today name Mythpat, and people love my name. And even I love my name. Mythpat sounds so cool, na? मतलब brand name साठी Mythpat किती मस्त नाव आहे. So I like that. That's why Lakshadweep. Honestly, Lakshadweep came up first thing in my mind. So rapid fire.
Thank you for bringing that up, because not many people know it, and I'm pretty sure today they search that one comment of Mythpat and they're going to go and
difficult to find.
Yeah, so they'll do that for sure. Okay, so the next one, first one was gaming. Gaming? Did you answer for gaming?
Gaming, PUBG.
Okay, so very interesting answer. Okay, we have someone who's very dedicated towards GTA, loves it. But
yeah, and still PUBG came in my mind.
Okay, excellent. Next one is YouTube.
YouTube 10 million.
10 million. Oh, diamond वो नहीं जाने वाले, वो हाथ में ही
नहीं जाने वाले यार, मन में वो चाहिए, उसके बाद सब सफर हो जाएगा. Then I won't even be in that zone of competition कि okay, I want to gain more subscribers. I just want a diamond where you're done. You just make your name in the whole community. That's my
excellent. Very soon you will.
India Jio, because nice. That is what next.
Youth.
Yeah, Jio आणि हे आपलं the whole, because of the whole Jio boom एवढे YouTubers आले आहेत इंडियात, नाहीतर हे नव्हते. I honestly respect all the YouTubers who have been there before the Jio. Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chanchlan, they have grown their audience before Jio, and that was a real difficult task. आम्ही तर सगळे नंतर आलो आहोत आणि आम्हाला तर थोडंसं इझी झालंय, पण त्यांना तर अजून डिफिकल्ट होता. रिस्पेक्ट ऑल दॅट.
हार्ड वर्क.
Dedication.
Failure.
Yesterday's video.
Success.
Again, diamond play button came in my mind. That is my success.
Okay, last one. Biggest fear.
Losing my channel. That is actually my biggest fear. That comes to me every now, because you know how easy it is to lose a channel on YouTube. 3 copyright strikes and you can lose your channel on YouTube. And 3 copyright strike म्हणजे तू तीन लोकांचा कंटेंट, कोण पण रॅन्डमली जगातले 3 लोकांचं कंटेंट युट्यूब मध्ये वापरलंस आणि त्यांच्या मनात आलं, त्यांची सटकली की ह्याला आपण स्ट्राईक. कोणी देत नाही युजली स्ट्राईक. स्ट्राईक इज अ व्हेरी समथिंग लाईक दॅट हॅज लॉट ऑफ पॉलिसीज इन इट. लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट गेट स्ट्राईक्स. But the 3 strike system is a very bad system on YouTube, where your whole career can. But that's what you have to make your own name. You have to make your own brand. You should not be dependent on YouTube. You should not be dependent on a platform. आगे जाके मिथपॅट शुड बी सच अ नेम की हे ऍक्च्युली मी विचार केला की आगे जाके इवन इफ मिथपैट गेट्स डिलीटेड, इवन इफ आई स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैनल, एक दिन के अंदर 100K 10,000 50,000 सब्सक्राइबर आने चाहिए खुद से. मैं वीडियो नहीं डालूंगा फिर भी लोग सर्च करके करेंगे ये. And this happens with my other videos, old channel and all that. So I'm happy about that. I'm creating a brand here for myself, not being dependent on the website.
I hope never ever such a day comes, but I'm sure that everybody is ready to support you once again in that journey, if at all it ever comes. So you spoke something about being a brand, right? So I'm pretty sure when you monetize your channel, वो जो पहली बार वो शायद वो ₹1 जो भी आपने कमाया होगा, that must have been a very special feeling, right? So can you tell us a little about that? Your first income from YouTube. What was it? How was it?
Back then, Paithani is a Marathi. This for the viewers who don't know, Paithani is a Marathi. काय बोलतात त्याला?
Sari. Yeah.
Sari. Okay, sari. Even so, that was a matlab from my mom. I came to know long few years back. Okay, she doesn't have a Paithani. Okay, and we could buy a Paithani. We could afford it, but हे सगळं ह्याच्यातनंच all these. I just understood that she doesn't have a Paithani, and she told me the Paithani is a costly sari. It's for 5,000 rupees, and all. I told her that I'll give you a Paithani one day. And although we could buy it, she did not buy it for 15 years or whenever I came to know. Like maybe I understood in like 8 years age. For 10-12 years, even though everyone had Paithani, she did not buy it. It was her thing also that she wants to. Her first Paithani has to be given by me. So that was my thing about earning my first YouTube income. I was like, अभी YouTube income आ गई है, मैं पहले जाके साड़ी खरीदा और मम्मी को दिया. So that is the whole thing.
This again shows the value system that he belongs to, deep rooted to the family. Pehla income aaya pehle mom ko. That's absolutely great. For all those viewers, go ahead, if you love this and if it's inspiring, please go ahead and type inspiring in the comment box, because that is something which is absolutely great, Mithilesh. And you have been a source of inspiration for anyone and everyone who's starting. So here's a quick question. If there's a gamer today who's sitting and who's not studying at home and who's not attending group discussions and is just sitting there and playing a lot of games, and he has no idea how his future would shape, but he loves it. So what would be your advice to such a person who loves gaming but doesn't know the path ahead, how to become Mythpat? He doesn't know that, but he loves gaming.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I can address one question in the audience only. Like Brendan has been asking a question like, will you collab with my 8-year-old brother? He just has 16 subscribers. I think there are a lot of people who are small in age. And they are obviously going to have 16 subscribers. They are obviously, honestly, it's so inspiring even for me ki at the age of 8, if his brother can start a YouTube channel, imagine what he can do at the age where I started my YouTube channel at the age of 20, 21. And I see now also, I see so many creators at the age of 16, 17, they are doing good on YouTube. And I see so many creators who are at the age of 13 who are trying to get subscribers on YouTube. They ask me for shoutouts. I don't give shoutouts, but they ask me for shoutouts and all that. But that whole concept ki okay, that kid wants to do YouTube at such a young age, तो आगे जाके वो क्या करेगा? मतलब अभी से वो वीडियोस डाल रहा है अगर चैनल पे, तो आगे जाके तो सोचो वो क्या कर सकता है. That is a thing. So I would say that अभी तो please you have to complete your studies. This is the norm. You have to complete your studies. Everything you have to do. Unless you are at an age where you feel that okay, this is the right time to do YouTube, which I feel is after the age of 18. You have to uske pehle to I don't think you are too small. You have so much life to enjoy. You have so much time to explore yourself. YouTube is just a fascination. It's just like any other job कि तुम लोग कर रहे हो YouTube. मतलब ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है, थोड़ा सा फेम इधर उधर मिलता है, बट अदर देन दैट YouTube इज नॉट समथिंग लाइक YouTube ही करना. यू नो समथिंग दैट for a long time, even our generation, what is the first thing you wanted to become in your childhood? What was it? Astronaut? Was it astronaut?
For me?
Yeah.
No, it was army, to join the Indian Army.
Oh, that's really nice. So for a lot of kids, even you must be knowing this, but becoming astronaut is one thing which everybody has. Every child has this dream of becoming astronaut because they found it fascinating. See, in 2020, according to the survey, what is the number one thing a child wants to become? It's YouTuber. Every kid wants to become a YouTuber now. So that thing is only very मतलब कि अभी से लोगों को मतलब ये अच्छा लग रहा है profession, and I'm doing such a thing which everybody wants to do. So that's a good feeling. But yeah, concentrate on your studies. टाइम आएगा तभी करोगे. तुम लोग में से बहुत सारे लोग बड़े यूट्यूबर बनोगे, ऐसा है. अभी टाइम नहीं है. अगर तुम लोग छोटे हो तो अभी टाइम डेफिनेटली नहीं है. you'll get the
It's a very
calling.
good word of advice right from the horse's mouth, Mitpat saying it. Mitpat, if you had to choose one question amongst a few comments yourself, so that the viewer can tell everybody that Mitpat ne mere ko chuna. If
Well,
that moment,
I'll answer quickly some questions.
yeah, yeah,
Do I need a high-end PC for gaming? As I told you, you don't really need. I know so many gamers who have started gaming using just a mobile phone. So in the start, you don't need high-end gaming PC. You don't need you even if you have a PC, you can record and start uploading videos. Important is uploading videos which you like. The concept of gaming is new for Indian community. If the one have to start career as YouTuber, which thing should be taken into consideration? One thing you should take into consideration, the concept of gaming, as you said, is very new right now. So the people who are going to make it good in this whole YouTube thing right now, they have a long way to go. So Karthik, I think if you want to start a career as a YouTuber, first of all, you have to decide की तुला कशात करायचं आहे. In what do you want to make your videos? Do you want to make it gaming, or do you want to make any entertainment videos? Decide that. I still haven't decided ki what type of videos I want to make. I personally enjoy making entertainment videos, and my entertainment videos on my channel do really good. 6 million views and all that. They are not gaming, but I personally enjoy doing them. So I've still not decided what I should do. So you need to understand that what is something which you like. And second factor which I always tell, please आपका एज देखो और इस हिसाब से करो, बिकॉज इतने बच्चों को फैसिनेशन होता है कि यूट्यूबर बनना है, पर आपकी एज भी होनी चाहिए उतनी. Mitpat, what do you think is the essence of your video? What is that help? You even asked this question पहले also, Archit. What is that helped you believe in the vision of your channel? As I told you, the market gap, where there was no gaming channel which used to do funny commentary with good editing. That is the market gap I caught. And as any business should actually work in that way, जो मार्केट गैप अगर आप लोग पकड़ोगे और उसमें एक्सपैंड करोगे तो वो चल जाने के बहुत चांस है, क्योंकि यू आर बेसिकली सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम इन द सोसाइटी. वो है कि इंडिया में नहीं है ऐसे गेमिंग चैनल्स मेरे जैसे, पहले नहीं थे, अभी तो है बहुत सारे. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई कॉट. या that's all. What do you do different to entertain the wide audience you have? I try to play variety of games on my channel. I have hardly played PUBG anytime on my channel, like 2-3 videos of PUBG on my channel maybe. Other than that, I ensure that people are liking me more than people are liking the game. That is what is some key point in my channel. Ki you have to build your own brand. You should not be dependent on the game. Do we need high-end setup? मैं already answer कर दिया.
Okay. So thank you so much. 2 last questions and then we wind up. So thank you for all the viewers who stayed back till the end. It's almost on the top of an hour's time, and that's absolutely great. So 2 quick questions, Mithilesh, and then we are good to go. The first one being, if imagine you achieve the gold button, you get a YouTube sponsored trip everywhere.
I have the gold button here, some behind the door.
The diamond button. I'm so sorry. It pricks when someone says gold and you already have it. You want the diamond.
Right.
So yes, you have the diamond button and you have a sponsored tweet from YouTube and you have everything that you ever wanted. Now, how would a day in Mithilesh's life be if everything that he ever wants is achieved? सब कुछ, घर, बंगला, गाड़ी, पैसा, माँ, सब कुछ है. अब मिथिलेश क्या करेगा? How would you spend your time?
I want to play a lot of games. This is something I don't do as a creator. As a gaming YouTuber, I don't play a lot of games. I want to play so many games, like Spider-Man का गेम आया है और बहुत सारे गेम्स हैं जो मुझे खेलने हैं और मुझे एक बड़े टीवी पे खेलने. I have fascination for TVs. I just want a very big TV in my house, like 60 inches, 70 inches का TV. उस पे बैठ के मुझे गेम खेलना है. So वो एक मैं पहले भी बोला है, मतलब it might sound थोड़ा stupid to you कि मैं टीवी के बारे में क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ. I have this कि मुझे टीवी चाहिए, बहुत बड़ा टीवी चाहिए, तो उस पे मुझे बैठ के बस गेम खेलूंगा ऐसा. This is what I imagine myself if I have everything.
Okay, excellent. So
I don't get to do that. I don't get to play games. I don't get a lot of free time now because I've started hustling.
Correct. And that's wonderful because we love, the more you hustle, the more the viewers enjoy, because it is the fans who made you look at, right? And it's a responsibility now on your shoulders and you're hustling, which means you care for your fans, and that's absolutely great. So one final question before we wind up. Now I want you to take time in answering this, so you can just take a moment, take a deep breath in and then answer. Now here's the question. Imagine you're on YouTube live and all 7 billion people in the world are listening to you at this moment. So you're live and each and every human being is on YouTube watching and listening to you, and you have only 1 minute to spread your message to the world in a way that you would inspire them. So what would be your one message to the world when the entire world is listening to you? If you want, take 10 seconds and then you can
Why
answer
are
that.
you asking such questions यार? इतना difficult questions if you ask तो इसे तो
I want,
सोचता नहीं है.
this is the best part, right? It's making Mithilesh Patankar think. That's what we need. Because I'm very sure you're going to come up with something amazing. All 7 billion people are listening to you right now, Mithilesh.
Something as a YouTuber in my mind would definitely do. Definitely is. This is what I do on every live stream. You can go and subscribe to my channel. I'll give this answer in थोडा parts, okay? कारण का माझ्याकडे एक direct answer नाही आहे. कारण का खूपच मस्त question आहे. खूप मस्त question आहे. I've never thought of this question. I've never even heard anyone answering this question. So I would tell everyone to subscribe to my channel, and I think that moment I will take, like, this is something I've been doing for a long time. I have been chasing fame. I want to become famous in my life. So 7 billion people seeing me is a lot of fame. So I don't know how I'll react to that if that ever happens. That is something like that makes me cry. Like fame, seeing others get fame actually gives me tears of happiness. Like this happened on multiple times. Like whenever I've seen videos of Mannat, Shah Rukh Khan outside his house, his so many fans. This is something I really aspire कि मुझे भी एक फेम चाहिए जिसमें मैं रास्ते पे चलूंगा तो लोग मुझे पहचानेंगे, मैं भी टीवी पे आना चाहिए. तो ये फेम है जो एक एंड है मेरे लिए कि मुझे वो चाहिए यार, फेम चाहिए मुझे. So I still did not answer a question properly though. I don't know if I'll give any message as such. What do you think, matlab, about this question? I really want to know what type of answer can be.
Whatever comes from your heart. I guess at this point maybe you're trying to think that the answer should be motivating or inspiring. So just let that go and just think very honestly.
I actually want to eradicate a lot of things. And matlab, honestly, the first thing, even before you completed the question, that thing came in my mind was something which I hate a lot is terrorism. Like I want to eradicate terrorism from this world. कि ये ऐसा सब random जो terrorism is something जिससे random deaths होती है. And I hate that concept. I hate the concept of terrorism. I hate the concept of cancer. कि a person can randomly get cancer, he can die. A person can randomly die in a bomb blast. These all things hurt me a lot. I'm sure a lot of people को ये hurt करता है. So if that would be my message to the world, I think, to eradicate. And for a long time, this has always been my answer कि अगर किसी को तुझे address करना हो, what is that one issue which has always hurt you a lot? It has always been terrorism. So that is something.
Wonderful. I think that is again something core, deep rooted to what you do. So Mithpat Urf Mithilesh Patankar, thank you so much for being so humble throughout. And one final word for all the fans who are watching this right now, who have stayed back till the end. Anything from your end that you would like to do for them?
Thank you so much for being here. This is actually the first time I've gone live on Facebook. So I've not used Facebook for a long time. म्हणजे माझं Instagramच चालू असतं आणि हे, तर I'm happy की एवढी लोक आली फेसबुकवर पण आणि they are asking questions. I was happy की even when the live session started, everyone is like big fan with Pat and all that. तर मजा आली बघ आता पण, हाय मिथपॅट, आय एम युअर ग्रेट फॅन वगैरे. तर असे सगळे मेसेजेस वाचून खूप बरं वाटतं. इवन ऑन फेसबुक इज समथिंग दॅट आय एम व्हेरी कनेक्टेड टू. आय वुड हॅव लव्ड इफ सम ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स वुड हॅव कम हिअर फ्रॉम माय फेसबुक, बिकॉज दॅट इज समथिंग that has always like affected me thoda ki like the people around me should like me, matlab be this with my success, ki they should be happy with my success, happy yeah. Absolutely. So I'm happy about that.
So typically when we end a session, we ask all the viewers to type in their one word lesson. What was the biggest learning what we found? So here's one thing that I would want all of the viewers who are watching this currently from this video throughout. In one word, if you have to describe, how are you feeling right now? What's your tribute to Mithpat? In one word, and type that in the comments box. So we have inspired Ayush to make a goal out of it. He's magical the way he questioned. Please subscribe to YouTube channel. Okay, people are typing in a lot of things right now which they want to do. But the point being very simple, Mithilesh. When we started this, we started from Mithilesh Patankar. Then you have become Mithpat. But it was glad that I could connect with you once again as Mithilesh Patankar. And I look forward to connect with you once again when you have the diamond button
live मध्ये असं असेल.
Yes, and you'll be like, hey, तभी बात.
I have announced my dream for the first time here only on this live. I want a diamond play button. I've never told anyone, so I'll show you. We'll do a live session again at 10 million.
Done, 100%. That's a commitment from his side, and that says a lot. Thank you for all the viewers who have joined in. I'll make sure that we edit this somehow and we'll put it on YouTube so that you can all watch it again and again, all over again. So thank you so
Yeah.
much, Mr. from our end, and it's an honor, it's a pleasure being connected with you. And I look forward and wish you all the best for your diamond button. And I hope to see you in a Bollywood movie very, very soon. So keep inspiring, and thank you for being a part of Inspiring India. Thank you. Thank you for all the
Thank you
viewers who
so
are here.
much.
Amazing throughout. Thank you,
Thank-
Mithilesh.
Chalo. Thank you. Yeah.